Still went to astrologer. They promised me next time you will be able to clear. Just do this remedy. Wanted to find answer why this is happening with me. Somehow I landed to a manifestation video. Decided to follow 369 manifestation technique. So after qualifying, this is how I started my journey. I manifested my job. Went after failing my CA finals for the third time. I started running to astrologers to find out answer. Why am I not able to clear? What is the issue? My family also believes in astrology, and since then I also started. I performed all the remedies which astrologers asked me, and it's not one astrologer, there were multiple whom I reached out to. And after performing all the remedies, I always kept a hope, bus coming attempt I will clear my CA finals. And every time it turned disappointed. I still kept a hope. I still went to astrologer. They promised me next time you will be able to clear. Just do this remedy. At the same time, I was chanting mantras every evening, every morning with a hope. I somehow convinced God to hear me out. I was the person who has been highly religious. Still I am. But I could not understand why every time my prayers are being unanswered. Until I realized in 2021, sometimes God is not answering our prayer because He wants us to tap into our inner power. Inner power is the activation of belief, activation of energy, activation of a power that you have buried inside you due to all the doubts, fear, anxiety, negative emotions. So when God feels now, this person needs to start believing on herself, himself more than believing and trusting on outside world, he keeps testing us. And manifestation is the journey where I started with 2021 year. So September 2021, after failing for the 13th time, I was in no mood to talk to any astrologer, to perform any remedy. I just wanted to find answer why this is happening with me. I think that night now, after failing, there was a turning point in my life. I was scrolling, I was asking God, just give me one direction, what you want me to learn. I want to find a solution to my problem. I am done hoping, waiting, praying, trying. Please give me a way out. And somehow I landed to a manifestation video. And though my sister, she used to talk about manifestations previously, but I mostly did not showed any interest. I believe these things does not work. So after watching multiple videos, I started believing that this word manifestation, this is some power, superpower, which can work. It's all about writing, practicing, and repeating same thing again and again. I started watching more and more videos about it, and the belief inside me started getting stronger. After that, one day I decided to follow 369 manifestation technique. There are many techniques which I explored, but I picked up 369. Somehow my intuition called me for that. Every morning I had to write 3 times a declaration. Then afternoon, I had to repeat same declaration 6 times, and before going to bed, the same declaration is to be repeated for the next 9 times. Whenever you are writing this declaration, first you have to understand what one goal it is you want to achieve. You can't manifest with 369 multiple goals together. I did set a declaration. I am grateful. I am a qualified chartered accountant from Feb 2022. Why I kept Feb 2022? Because my exam was in December 21 and I calculated 1 to 1.5 months. So right now, before moving ahead with this video, take a pause and set the declaration which you want to manifest. Keep your declaration in present tense as if it has already happened. Keep it really simple and be accurate exactly what you want to manifest. Once you are done, we have to start using a new journal. The journal can be as simple, it can be anything, like it can be a register also, anything which can be easily carried by you if you are traveling frequently. So keep something which is of fewer page. You have to start writing. I don't use black pen. I don't know why, but I use either blue, green or red pen to write whatever I want to manifest. It's absolutely your call which color pen you want to use. From whichever date you fix, you have to do this practice 369 every day till the result is out. Okay? One thing which you need to keep in mind is when you are writing this 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times before going to bed, you have to start generating emotions. You just don't have to write it as a copy paste machine. You have to write it with emotions. It will come after few days. Maybe start mein aapko you are not able to find it so deeply connected, but you will start seeing now after 7 days to 10 days there is a kind of activation which brings faith in you. This manifestation now, it activates a belief within us that whatever we are dreaming to achieve, it is possible. It helps to eliminate our fear. You know what? Most of the time, these astrologies, remedies, mantras are not working because our inner world is completely disturbed. Our inner world has started believing this is not meant for me. I am not meant to get this degree. So manifestation helped me rewire, rearrange my inner self. So after getting attached with fear, failure, disappointments for years now, manifestation helped me in my last attempt to activate my energy, my belief, my luck. I started writing with emotion. I am grateful. I am a qualified chartered accountant. When I was writing now, I started seeing that actually my inner self has started believing I am a chartered accountant. Fear was reduced, not 100%, but with each day of practice, I found myself believing on my journey more. It was the attempt December 2021. For the first time, I did not appear the exam with fear of failure. This time, I appeared with a faith I will be achieving my result. I am a chartered accountant. So, please, if you are stuck in any of the failure pattern or you want to make things easier for you, you have to start writing. One thing more I will like to add is when you are writing 369 times now, you can play any music. It can be any religious music or something which brings more emotions because music mein na ek vibration it's there and that vibrations activates emotions within us. And emotion will help you. Good emotions will help you start eliminating all the negative emotions. So try to use any good music. You can play any type of music, like it's totally your call. And now I will move ahead with my story. I started manifesting for my job. I started writing. I am grateful. I have started working in a company. I am earning 12 lakh per annum fixed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And again, I started using 369 manifestation technique. I was doing this and somehow after 20 days, I got impatient because I did not get any call or I did not hear from any of the companies. After that, I thought, let me be specific. I started writing, I am grateful. I have received offer letter from Ernst & Young with a salary of this much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I started writing it and again after 25 days also I did not hear much, though I was appearing for interviews of EY, but I did not receive the offer letter. Again, I went impatient. Meanwhile, also in between, I received a call from Deloitte and I was in the interview process. I started writing, I am grateful. I have received offer letter from Deloitte with the salary of 12 lakh per annum. And it was like May had arrived. By then, I did not receive any final call or offer letter in hand. I was getting impatient, insecure. Still, I had a faith. Things will work out. Let me find where things are going wrong. All of a sudden, I received a call. I interviewed in one of the company and next within 2 days, I received the offer letter. And as soon as I received the offer letter from that company, I received offer letter from EY and then with Deloitte. To my surprise, it happened in same sequence in which I manifested. First, when I manifested, I did not mention company's name. So I received from a random startup where I started working after qualifying. Then I received from EY and then Deloitte. So after qualifying, this is how I started my journey. I manifested my job. I did not face issue regarding the attempts which I had. In fact, the first company which hired me, the director of the company hired me just because he found me a warrior. He found me a person who has the attitude of not giving up. After getting married in year 2024 April, I took a short career break, and then in the year 2025, I wanted to start my career, but I wanted to go for remote working. I did not know how it's going to happen, but in Feb 25, I still believed in this thought and I started writing. I am grateful. From March 2025, I am working remotely with a salary of rupees this much every month. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, I used this 369 technique, and on 15th of March, I interviewed, and 17th March 2025, I received the offer letter for a remote working. So this is how manifestation activates energy of luck within us. It activates a power. It's an inner power which sends a signal to universe. We are ready to receive abundance, opportunity, luck in our life. So listen to me. If you are actually tired of waiting to pass an exam, if you are tired sharing your resume but not getting any job calls, if you are tired of praying to help you settle financially, this is a call for you from the universe. Universe is waiting for you to activate, align with the right energy where you can manifest your desires, where you can attract things you want in your life. Stop being a chaser, stop gaining sympathy from the outside world. You have power within you. All of us have. Start using that power, start manifesting. And if you hold any doubts, do drop me in the comments or you can DM me. I will help you clear and let me walk with you in your journey. Let the magic unfold for all of us. Thank you.